Alright, hey everyone, today's video will be a little different. It will be a start to a series of videos on everything iPad Pro. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and click all so that you don't miss out on future videos. For those who don't have an iPad or are not looking into one, stay with me because these videos will help you get a better idea on what an iPad Pro can do so that you know what options are out there for you. Plus, I have a giveaway going on for which I will give more details about it in the video. So guys, stay with me. So part one of this series will be a deep dive into some of the basic accessories which will help one get the most out of the iPad. I will be sharing the accessories based on my iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020 model, but most of the accessories will be applicable to or have similar versions for 11-inch iPad Pro and the new iPad Air, and some variations for the other iPad models. And of course, I will have links to everything mentioned in the description section down below. So let's get started. First of all, I will start with the second gen Apple Pencil. I know it's expensive, but hear me out. With the Apple Pencil, you get the best stylus experience, pressure sensitivity, tilt feature, convenience of storing, pairing, and charging it from the side of the updated design iPad models. Let me explain for who the Apple Pencil is good for. This is for a person who likes the convenience of their stylus when charging, pairing, and storing, else you can suffice with a third-party stylus. It's good for the heavy note taker and annotator. If you are just scribbling here and there, then you can get by with the third-party stylus. Next, for a digital artist, of course. And lastly, for a person who wants to use scribble mode for text input instead of using the on-screen keyboard or physical keyboard. Scribble mode is not perfect, but it's nice to have, and I ended up using it more than I thought I would. Other than these reasons, you don't need to get one. Next, let's talk screen protectors. If you don't care about the Apple Pencil, then any tempered glass screen protector would work. The one I first used was the ESR glass screen protector. It was easy to install, but if you hate the fingerprints on the screen, then you should consider a matte screen protector. The one I got is the PaperLike screen protector for roughly $54 Canadian and $39.99 USD. I definitely recommend it for those who use the stylus a lot. It removes fingerprints, adds a bit of friction, as a result slightly improves writing on the screen with a stylus, of course. Also, when you write with a stylus, it sounds like you're writing on paper if you're into that kind of stuff. Next, let's talk cases. So there are thousands of different cases to choose from, and I can't go through all of them. But what I can do is tell you what I look for in a case and which ones I recommend. This will help you get a better idea on what my approach is. So what I looked for in a case is that the case covers all sides of my iPad Pro. Second, it has a flap to cover the screen of the iPad, and also when closed, the cover puts the iPad to sleep. Third, comes with a stand to put my iPad into a standing position. Has a way to securely keep my Apple Pencil in the charging location and covers it up so that I don't need to worry about charging it and having it fall into the bag or even losing it. Lastly, it is reasonably priced, as you can get the same functionalities as Apple's first-party cases, but for a third of the price. So you can find a lot of cases which would fit the bill, but the one I chose is the ESR Trifold Smart Case for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, which comes for roughly $23.99 Canadian on Amazon. Alright, we have covered some of the basic accessories needed for an iPad. In part 2 of this series, we will discuss some additional accessories to help you take your iPad usage to the next level. So be sure to subscribe for that. So just an update on the giveaway. To win an InCharge 6, link to my review in the description down below. Head over to Twitter and Instagram and follow the instructions on the giveaway posts, which are also linked down below. In addition, you can get an extra entry by commenting your Twitter or Instagram handle below. I will pick a lucky winner when I reach 50 subscribers. Once this giveaway is done, I hope to do many more in the near future. And lastly, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment down below of what you liked or would like to see in the future videos. Let's continue the conversation down below. Well, that's a wrap. See you guys in the next video. Later.